My dear students, welcome to Lakas Public School and College online class. I hope everybody okay and everybody stay in your home. My dear students, today I will discuss another structural questions from chapter 8. Okay, today my structural questions team is the sum of 7 number is 401. The average of the first three number is 56 and the average of the last three number is 58. This is the stems of this structural questions. My first questions: what is the sum of the last three numbers? Number B, what is the average of six numbers? Number C, what is the fourth number? Okay. Question number A, what is the sum of the last three numbers? According to my streams, we know the average of last three number is 58. So we can write given that average of last three number is 58. From my stems, we know average of last three number is 58. So we find out the sum of the last three numbers. So we can write the sum of last three number is 58 into 3. Okay, when you multiply 58 by 3, then product will be 3 times of 8, 24, 24 4, 3 times of 5, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, so 174. Okay, so we find out the sum of last three number is 174. This is the answer. My first questions. Number B, what is the average of six numbers? That means from my streams we given that average of first three number is 56 and average of the last three number is 58. At first we find out sum of first three number and sum of last three numbers. Okay, then we find out the average of six numbers. Okay, so we can write we need to help number from A. From A we can write from A we get the sum of last three number is the sum of last three number is 174. From my stream we know the average of the first three number is 56. So we can write average of first three number is 56. Okay, so we find out sum of first three number, the sum of first three number is 56 into 3. When you multiply 56 by 3, then product will be 3 times 16, 18, 8, 3 times 15, 168. So we find out the sum of first three number is 168. Okay, now we find out the sum of sixth number. The sum of sixth number is 174 plus 168. So you can write the sum of sixth number is 174 plus 168. Then we can write it 12 342. We can write it 342. So we find out the sum of sixth number is 342. So from my question, so we find out what is the average of six numbers. So we find out what is the average of six numbers. So you can write average of six number is, you can write it average of sixth number, average of sixth number is 342 divided by 6. From my average formula, we know sum of quantity divided by quantity. So here sum of quantity is 342 and divided here quantity is 6, so we can 342 divided by 6. So when you divided 342 by 6, then quotient will be 57. This is answer. So we find out average of sixth number is 57. Okay, now we find out what is the fourth number. So according to the streams, we know the sum of sixth number, seven number is 401, and from B we know the sum of sixth number is 342. When we subtract 401 by minus 342, then we find out the fourth number. So we can write from my streams, we know the sum of 7 number is 401. Given that sum of seven number is 401, from B we get sum of six number is 342. So we find out the fourth number is, the fourth number is 401 minus 342. Then we can write it 59. Okay, when you subtract 401 minus 342, then result will be 59. This is the answer. I hope everybody understand these structural questions. If you have any problem, please inform me. I will try to solve your problems. Thank you.